The NZXT Kraken G12 allows you to quickly mount any Kraken series liquid cooler onto a graphics card. It delivers a 40% increase in cooling capacity over stock cooling and features a newly designed bracket with an easier installation process versus the Kraken G10. Plus, the Kraken G12 is also compatible with more than 30 liquid coolers on the market. Remove the original cooling module from your graphics card. Install a fan with the label facing the GPU bracket using the fan screws. Attach the two foam pieces at the corners while making sure the foams will not interfere with the components of the graphics card. Identify the correct mounting holes on the GPU bracket and prepare the required retention brackets for your graphics card. Mount the retention brackets using screws and washers to prevent risk of damage to your graphics card. Referring to your liquid cooler's instructions, remove the Intel and AMD retention bracket if it is already installed. Orient the pump's tubes along the side with cable tie points. Pass the pump through the GPU bracket grooves. Rotate the pump until it aligns with the GPU brackets and attach. Using the thumb screws with spring, install the GPU bracket onto the graphics card. Use the included cable ties to manage the tubes and cables along the trench with tie points. Connect the 3-pin fan connector to the liquid cooler's fan power or to an open fan header on the motherboard. Follow the liquid cooler's instructions and complete all necessary connections to complete the installation of your graphics card. This can include pump power, USB, and software installation. Thank you for watching Builder's Workshop and for installing the Kraken G12 GPU mounting kit. Subscribe to our
Hey guys, I'm George and this is the Hydra Series H60 liquid CPU cooler. The H60 has been one of our best-selling coolers for years, and we made it even better. The Hydra Series H60 features a 120mm radiator, which will fit in just about any case that has a 120mm rear fan mount, mid-tower ATX, micro ATX, or full-tower ATX. The H60 is a Hydra Series cooler, which means it uses liquid to cool the CPU instead of air or copper or other materials. What are the benefits of that? Well, for one, it can be quieter and smaller form factor to get the same cooling performance you can out of 3 pounds of copper or aluminum that would take up a ton of space inside your case and impede airflow. The improved pump head has a new cold plate that improves performance significantly over any 120mm cooler we've ever launched. And it looks cooler too. The white LED backlit logo adds a touch of flair to any build. The Hydra Series H60 is compatible with all modern Intel and AMD sockets, and installation is completely tool-free. It's easier than ever, you'll be done in minutes. The Hydra Series H60 comes with an SP120 PWM fan, which ranges from 600 RPM all the way up to 1700 RPM. So whether you want maximum performance or minimum noise, you can choose that through PWM control. The improved copper cold plate and the higher density radiator team up for the best performance we've ever offered in a 120mm radiator. The new version of the H60 is our coolest, quietest, and best performing 120mm radiator cooler ever, and it looks cooler too. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Corsair, and this is our brand new iCUE RGB Pro XT line of CPU coolers, which gives you super chilled performance in a sleek, easy to install, no-nonsense package. The Pro XT coolers are fully compatible and equipped to handle today's newest and most demanding CPUs. Processors like AMD's 3rd generation Ryzen Threadripper and Intel's Cascade Lake X automatically boost their clock speeds to match cooling and power delivery headroom. So, in order to get the most out of your new CPU, you'll need a great cooler like our brand new Pro XT. Each cooler includes brackets to mount the pump head to AMD's AM4, TR4, and STRX4 sockets, as well as Intel's 115X and 2066 sockets. Featuring up to a massive 360mm radiator, the Pro XT line of coolers is able to effectively dissipate the heat off your powerful CPU. Whether you're looking for ultra quiet or extreme performance, these coolers perfectly fit the bill. Using our awesome ML fans, you have the choice to keep your fans whisper quiet or ramp them up to full speed at 2400 RPM, which offers maximum cooling. While the Pro XT coolers are focused on high performance out of the box, it doesn't mean they can't look good too. With a glossy piano black ring around the pump head and a premium finish all around, the Pro XT coolers will give a refined look to your system. Adding to the aesthetic are 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs in the pump head, which allows you to customize the lighting however you want, whether that's rainbow mode, classy static colors, or just turning it off. Use one of our fan curve presets or define your own. It's quick and easy to get the Pro XT coolers perfectly customized to suit your performance and lighting needs. We currently offer 3 models of the iCUE RGB Pro XT cooler, the H100i, H115i, and H150i. with 240, 280, and 360mm radiator sizes respectively, all using either the 120 or 140mm ML fans. For more information, or if you want to snag one for yourself, head on over to Corsair.com.
Experience Corsair's best ever liquid cooling performance with our Hydra Series RGB Platinum coolers. Hydra Series Platinum features vivid RGB lighting and is built for extreme CPU cooling performance. Our Hydra Series Platinum coolers come equipped with ML Pro RGB fans with magnetic levitation bearings, so you can have outrageous performance at low noise levels. And with 4 hub-mounted RGB LEDs, they look as good as they perform. Our Hydra Series Platinum coolers have a thermally optimized cold plate and a low noise pump design for quiet yet high performance cooling. Platinum also has a 0 RPM fan mode, so with iCUE you can control the fans from 0 to 2000 RPM, letting you decide between high performance or low noise. iCUE also allows you to monitor your coolant temperatures, allows you to change your fan lighting and speed profiles, all from a single intuitive interface. And with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs, this is the best looking pump unit we have ever made. The Hydra Series Platinum comes in 2 sizes, 280mm with the H115i and 240mm with the H100i. Like all of our coolers, it's easy to install and comes with brackets for all the modern sockets. I like the Hydra Series Platinum so much, I put it in my home PC. So for more information or to just buy one right now, just go over to Corsair.com.